So yeah, happy Star Wars Day. So she's doing good. I think she's ready to go back home. I mean, the rain, sound. I don't think she really likes it. Well, see? Hey, baby puppy. Oh well, short outside vid. So today I'm trying to plan before I go to work to fix the faucet. Early this morning, kids. I think the only thing that Dogsy likes about this weather is the puddles she's going to get after all of this stops. Come on, sweetie. I think that's one good part about the whole thing. But other than that, she doesn't like it. So, yeah, I had to fix the faucet. Turns out the knobs got a little bit loose. So I need to figure out how to tighten them. My mom said all you have to do is just take the knobs off, and then there should be a screw, and then tighten the screw. So shouldn't be that hard. I don't think. I did upload some videos today, and I think this guy's on neutral. his backlight, those lights that turns on when you backup lights, something like that. But anyway, those are on. So, anyway, so happy Star Wars Day, and I know it's raining, and I hope everybody's being safe, and I will try to upload some videos. I uploaded one video out of many videos that I still have to upload, so slowly but surely I get all of them uploaded. So I got some videos to upload. I'm working on some too. Yeah. I also have to fix the seat and some other things. So, the life of being head of household and training. Yay! Okay, let me take this baby over here back to the house. If it stops raining and people are going to Mayfest, please be careful out there. I know also today, seeing it's Star Wars Day, there's a tattoo place that's having Star Wars tattoos on sale, I think. I was thinking about going, but I don't have enough money for it, so can't go. And plus I have to work anyway, so still can't go. So I'm going to head back inside. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys got any suggestions that what we could do, please comment down below. And see you guys later. It's gonna be raining, and I have to go to work, and it's probably going to be a slow day anyway. So see you guys later.